This is adobong kangkong with a twist. Nilagyan ko siya ng tuna flakes at saka ng singkamas. Yung singkamas is para magbigay sa kanya ng tamis. Yung tamis na galing talaga sa singkamas. And then, nagko-complement naman siya sa tuna flakes. And, ayan. Ginawa ko po today. Dahil wala akong pasok. It's my day off.
Tara! Ari ang ako nga ginakaon subong. Kaya ari lang ko sa balay. So, koribong ko di dan. Hay nago. Then later, nagaw-lagaw ko diin lapit diri. And updan na kita karon. Invento and well, it's good naman. Nag-complement naman po yung lahat ng ingredients na ginamit ko and ayun, sarap. Wanna share it to you, baka gusto niyo rin gawin on your own free time. Ito po adobong kangkong with a twist. Dahil nilagyan ko siya ng in Tagalog, no? Nilagyan ko siya ng tuna flakes, singkamas, and maraming tomatoes. Yun na nga. Kaya mas masarap siya ngayon. So, ngayon, kakainin ko to with my favorite na watermelon. Tara! Ito lang yung pinapapak ko pag gabi. Kagabi. Okay. Wala kumayo nagkakaon rice kay kabugat sa tiyan. Pero, of course, nagkakaon mo ko talaga. In one day, 2 ka beses sa isa kadlaw ako magkaon sang rice, no? For my carbo. Para magka-energy, syempre. Okay. See you guys later! May mga kantuan ako and well, dari lang man lapit lang man sa Tagig. And para malingaw-lingaw mo ko karon. Well, see you guys later. Pakita ko sa inyo and watch nantawon nyo na lang ang sunod ko nga video guys. Hello! Back on my channel. Nakadto kita nga subong sa McKinley Hills. Wow! Look! Inasal! Inasal! Kaon ta? Later. to Pasig or I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Well, there you go. Okay. We're going down. Pakat to sa ano. Okay. Now we're here. We're here on McKinley Hills. Now see guys. Okay. Oh, di ba? Kita ko tabakla. Hi, hello, Mr. Grasshopper. Kamusta po? Okay, may nakita kita nga tibakla kung baga sa amon sa Ilonggo. Ini ginatawag namon nga tibakla and diri sa sa Manila rather. Parang tinatawag nila itong ano ba? I'm not sure pero I don't know. Nakalimutan ko lang pero sa Tagalog, sa English rather, ito grasshopper. Okay na. Now, lapit na kita and kita na ang ilang entrance, no? So, maybe we can cross now. And we have to maybe you can cross. There, you can cross. Makatambok lang kita gali. Why we stop? I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry. Okay. Look at that. Oh. Wow. Woohoo! Yeah. Look at that. Oh wow. It's a big wow. There you go. You have to cross and we're going inside na. No? So this is what they call Venice Plaza. Okay, dira ang ilang mga food station. No. So may 7-Eleven across dira may 7-Eleven. May Asi Fresh Plaza. May Cosmo Studio.
for the beauty care. And okay no, may-ari sila sang Asian salon. Now, look. Wow. Simply wow. And a big wow, I mean. Well, it's my second time here. Pero, since wala ako moon sa balay, so diri ako naglagaw sa bong for you to see man sang ilang ginapabugal diri na. Okay, there's a Zoo Coffee. Ayun. You see it? You see that? Now, you can see? Well, we're far kasi. Okay now. There you go. And we're here inside. We're going up. Oh. Wala ka work ang ilang escalator dito nga banda, no? So, diri kita maagi sa biyak and we're going up so we can see the overview down. Okay, ang kanal nila nga ginatawag. So, sabay ka mo. Put ka mo. Now. Wow. See the bazaar. Woo. Hi, Kuya. Aww. So we're going up na. Hello. Come and join me. Gagala tayo. And that one. Wow. How I want na na magsakay sa ilang boat. So, maybe next time makatry kita sina. But for now, well, hindi pa mahimo kay we're running out of time na. So, have to roam around na lang. Have to roam around. So, ayun na. Gahod sang gahod sang eroplano kada maglabay diri, no? Okay, so malibot lang ta danay for now. And manginaon. Yoo-hoo! And we're going inside. Maybe we can buy something here. Is it allowed? No? Okay. So, gala. Malibot na tanay naman. Pwede natin malibutan, no? And then pwede natin makaunan later. So, for now, I'm gonna show you around na Danay, no? Okay. Okay. Do, tamaan din ka inviting sa water below para hindi kita pwede dira. hindi kita puffer fish, no? Para mag-swim dira or okay, hindi kita isda. It's not allowed to swim there. Mind you. So, there's a restaurant ko kayo around. And this is One's Bistro. The last time we ate, parang dito ata, or down. Maybe down kami kumain nakaraan. What's in there? I don't know. So, dito tayo balik. We're going up. Hello!
Ciao, senyora.
Hi!
Pero, kukuha tayo ng ticket. Dito tayo pupunta. Ayan. Pag kukuha tayo ng ticket, sasakay tayo ng kanilang yan o. Gusto natin sumakay dyan. Where we buy? We're going to buy a ticket. Kuya, may daan pa ba dyan pababa? Wala po. So, we're going down back. See that? What they have. Look at that. Here. Venice. Grand Canal. We're here. Philippine jeepney. And damo sila sa souvenir gifts diri oh. So, pwede kita makabakal dire.
Okay. So, I'm here. Hi. Hello. Magkano ang ganito niyo po? 500. Adjustable naman yan. Ayan. Where to buy that one? Later. Okay. We're going to find shabu-shabu here for us to eat na. Hi! Gutom na. So, we're going there. Kaya na yung shabu-shabu diri. So, upad ka mo kaon. Makaon kita! Aww. Wanna go home with me? Aww. Wanna go home with me? May mayari ka ba? Meow. Meow. Gusto mo sumama? Gusto mo magupad sa akon po uli? May tagiya ka, wala. Daw gabusong pa sa bala, guys. Gabusong siya. Na? Nami siya. Makaon ko tanay.